All right. OBS says we're live. Let's just wait for that email and then we'll get started. Waiting patiently. Any day now, Google. There we go. We are live. Welcome back to my stream. We have lots of exciting new developments. Too loud. We have lots of exciting new developments. Secret Tunnel is done. It completely works, and I've integrated it into Live on Mobile Device. So we are ready to finally put the final puzzle pieces together. Here we have Xcode, we have our fork of alt store, side store pulled up, and here we go. Let's get to work. I've already done lots of like the base work, like linking all the headers and the libraries, and today we're just gonna like figure out like the best way for new people to build it. So right now it's a lot of manual labor to try and get it to build, which it does build. I haven't built it for my iPad, but I've like tried it myself. It does build. Although now that I press the build, it's not gonna work. Of course it's not. Oh yeah. So here's problem number one. I did like a git reset on some of the changes I made, like some of the manual changes I made. We're gonna have to figure out how to do this because Xcode does like building really weird. You can see in the mobile device, the build phases, the headers, that it actually will move all of the headers into like a separate folder for build time. And so therefore, like, where's the error? So when it tries to find this file, it's not going to find libimobile-device-glue/thread because it's already in the same folder already. It's just going to find thread. Now, I could probably just go like into like this and like remove that, but there is a problem with that. As you can see, gosh dang it. Stay. You can see that there's already a thread for libimobile-device-glue, and then as we scroll down, we'll find another thread, see libusb muxd common, that we actually have multiple headers of the same name. And so that is a recipe for segfaults to just try and just rename the headers in the C files. We need to figure out some sort of way to make them stay. So what I'm thinking is, like, somebody was showing me earlier that actually in the build settings that I can change the search paths. So we're gonna try that. Or we're at least gonna look at this. Gosh dang it, why can't I see everything? Okay, there we go. Live by mobile device. Oh, this looks like this will work just fine. So if we just copy whatever this is, let's just try this out. src root dependencies. What am I thinking? Oh yeah. glue/include. Hopefully that does the trick. Will it work? YOLO, go! No, that did not fix it. That's the right header, right? It should have pulled them up. If we look in here, no secret tunnel, device glue /include. Look, it's right here. And the header we want, the thread header. So somehow we need to include, maybe we need to check the recursive thing. Is there a typo? Device-glue/include. Let's recurse. YOLO. Did that fix it? Bruh. Okay, that was actually a lot easier than I thought it was gonna be. Bruh. Well, let's add that to the release, so that way when we build a release... Dang it. Okay, 1 minute. Fix that in a second. Stop, stop, stop. Okay, I didn't mean to do that. Don't do that. What did I do? Okay. Let's just add that in. Slash. I honestly didn't think that it probably would be so easy to solve. I thought I was gonna have to do something with like hatches or something. But nope, here we are. Recurse that and we're good. Hopefully. No errors, and let's I'll show you. Oh boy, that's too big. Can't even see the iPad. Put that in the middle-ish. At the middle, close enough. Let's open up the app. Nope, not that. I trust myself with every cell in my body or whatever it is. The meme. Alright, good. Open that up and it should hopefully launch. Bro, if you guys don't know, this is actually like a pain to build. Like, if I haven't been working on this for like the last couple months, I would have been so angry right now because why is this app so hard to build? Okay, I know what's going on. I forgot I added like fancy code to do. Yeah, I added fancy code to actually test the secret tunnel. But that can actually probably be removed because it's not going to return until we get the WireGuard connection, which I don't think I'm going to do right now. The next thing I will really want to, now that I've got libimodal device and secret tunnel successfully linking, I'm actually going to start replacing AltJit. I want to, that's probably like the easiest thing to figure out. Oh. Okay, we'll just remove that for now. Remove that, and then if we build that, it should actually launch this time. Heck yeah, boys, it launched. Just like I thought it would. Let's sideload an IPA. Oh, actually, we probably need an alt server running, don't we? Do I have alt? Okay, I do. Let's sideload an IPA. Do I have an IPA on my iPad? Downloads. Sure, we can sideload Minecraft. I still don't know how to pronounce it. 1 minute. Let me log into. Let me log into Alt Store, I guess. Sign in. Let's go. Oh, mail plugin. See, all of this is eventually going to be replaced, that we actually don't need an alt store. It should be able to figure all this crap out by itself. Thank goodness, because this is a hassle. Alright, now sign in. Let's go. Got it. Thank you. Oh my goodness. I just realized that this stream is actually like running pretty smooth. Alt Store cannot find this device. What do you mean? It's plugged in. Bruh. What do you mean alt store can't? See, this is why we're doing all the on-device stuff, because trying to connect it to a computer is kind of a pain. It's right there. What do you mean it's... Alright, let's try it again. Maybe it's a fluke or something. Oh, heavens. Come on. Oh, I guess it's not even showing up under network, is it? Let's try the other Wi-Fi. What Wi-Fi is my Mac on? It's on the same Wi-Fi. Don't do this to me. Oh, wait, no, it is. It's even showing up over the Wi-Fi. What are you doing? Come on. Why do you have to do this to me? Why do you do this to me? Okay. Wi-Fi. Why was that not checked? Bruh. Well, now I look like an idiot. Unless this works, then I'm validated. Or if this doesn't work, then I'm validated. Let's do this. Please install faster. And this is why we're doing this all on device. Bro, it's gonna be so fast. Like, the initial tests, like, somebody was trying it on Linux, and they got Secret Tunnel to go at 70 gigabytes per second. That's just madness. Alright, I'm validated. Didn't work. This is a good song. What to try now? Look, it even shows up here. What do you mean? Alt store can't find my device. Well, can I Actually, that's probably a bad idea. What app IDs do I have? Oh my goodness. Why did it refresh like test app and UI tests or whatever? Oh. I need more app IDs. Somebody buy me a developer account. JK don't. I'm leaving soon. I don't need it. Alright, let's just like remove the manual service because this might be causing problems. Listen for wired connections, and then we'll also do the service browser. That should work. Go! Compile. Bro, this is working so much better. Now that OBS has like an actual M1 version, like it's actually loading. Let's do this, gamers. Building, 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 building. Please build. Not build. Install, install, install. Please install. Oh, gosh dang it. Why is this not playing nice today? Because I'm using my iPhone as a camera. I can't really do that. Well, now what? Look, they all definitely show up over the network and USB, so I can't keep complaining. See, the hard part about alt server and alt store is that finding logs for literally any of this is a pain in the butt. Why is it so hard to find logs? Okay, well, while I figure that out, I probably ought to, like, do some git commits. I want to include this. I want to include this. This. Normally I would just do that. Normally I would just like do this over the command line, but like where I only want like specific lines committed, it's easier to just do this with the, see like this, I don't want any of this committed. Yeah, all of that can stay. Entitlements, stay, no, no, no. Okay, I think that's all I want committed. What did we do? We add the mobile device dash glue headers to search. Push! Yeet! Okay. Too loud, hurts my ears. Okay. The problem is that alt store cannot find. What the heck is this? Wait. Then the thing we need to figure out is why isn't it alt server finding? How about just like the good old restart? Because if I ask on the Discord, that's probably what they'll tell me to do first anyway. Well, look, chat. Alt server doesn't want a different app ID. I don't think that would be too big of a deal because we're not trying to refresh alt store itself. We're trying to install a different app. So it should just be fetching like the app IDs. It already has an app ID that it could select. It just needs to choose that one and install it because we're not doing any of the refreshing yet. Not going to worry about that until later. Okay, now that it's restarted, will it work this time? This is like the definition of why we can't have nice things. Loading, loading. Mm-hmm. My goodness. I don't know. World. Close the app. Plug it. And plug it back in. Does it not like that I have QuickTime running? Close QuickTime for now. You guys just don't get to see my iPad for a bit. Lost connection to alt server. Okay. Reinstalling the mail plugin sometimes helps that. I'll try that after I tried installing one more time. I wonder. Oh, I know what's going on. All right, bring back the QuickTime player. I know what's going on. It's because I actually have an alt server Linux running, and it's trying to connect to that alt server, the one running on my Linux server in the basement. Where is it? Alt server. Die. Okay, there we go. Hopefully that's the problem. And I didn't know that I would be streaming Loading Simulator. I thought I was streaming Programming Side Store. Yet here we are. What? All right. All right. Yeah, maybe I'll kill NemXD too. NemXD. Die. Okay, and then I guess try. Oh my goodness. Somebody sent me. Oh, no, this is the live. Preferences. There it is. Plugins. Play and restart. Although I don't think that would make a difference because the mail plugin is actually to fetch the Anisette data, not actually for detecting devices. Detecting devices is all done through USB muxd. Okay. See, if I had logs, I could see what server it was trying to connect to, but I don't. And you know whose fault that is? Thanks, Riley. Just kidding. I love you. Wait for the failure of the system. Oof. There goes my webcam. What? Okay, I'll fix that in a second after I watch it fail. What? Why are we resolving this? I killed you. And why is the app not launched? Let's try it again. Mail plugin. Oh, I removed. Okay, well, at least we know it's at least connecting, right? What am I doing? All right, let's try it again. Go. Okay, well, that installs up. What happened to the webcam? Did it like... Oh my goodness, it ran on my iPhone, not on the iPad. Come back, please. Oh, Xcode is angry. Well, this is your own gosh darn fault for selecting my iPhone and not my iPad. Stupid. Oh, but the webcam is... Man, streaming is hard. How do people even do this? Gonna work now? Please. Okay, there we go. Now, are we connecting to any nefarious alt servers this time? Gosh darn it. How is this the hard part? How is this the thing that I'm struggling with? I'm able to like program a TCP stack to run on iOS, but when I go to actually test it, the thing that should be the simplest thing just doesn't work. Gosh dang it. Okay. What can I reasonably try now? Why is the iPad not charging? Could that be part of the problem? This might be part of it. Can they even communicate? Oh, it definitely can. So what is going on? Did I mess up Side Store that much when I tried to do some of the old stuff? How did I sign into my Apple account if I can't even access the alt server, huh? Okay, so I know it can connect to the alt store. The alt store just can't see the device. Why does it do this? Why is it broken? Okay, maybe we're just gonna have to use my iPhone. Will my iPhone work any better? Sorry, webcam. Stop. If it works on my iPhone, here, I'll share my iPhone screen instead. iPhone. Let's see. I just barely sideloaded it on accident. How long have I had this? Can I throw it away? Bro, Xcode be angry. Ooh, what happened here? Did it just like give up? So much for sharing my screen. It has to like download the AP. It has to download the IPA. Do I not already have one downloaded? Delete them. Ugh, it's gonna take forever. Why is it going so slow? I'll just airdrop it to my phone. Okay, this is now turned into technical difficulty simulator. Please airdrop. Yeah, QuickTime is just giving up. Poor QuickTime. This is why you don't install betas. What in the world is going on? Well, man, maybe it. What can I do to try? I'll just restart the iPad. That'll fix it. Isn't that what the pro IT tech is, or Linus Tech tip is to restart your devices. I guess this can go back to being a webcam while the iPad restarts, because the phone is just being broken today, besides being a webcam. That's all it's good for. Turn the iPad back on. Loading simulator. Oh gosh, now my webcam is lagged. Was it good? Whatever. And how do people even stream? This is really hard. Everything is broken. Okay, the iPad is back up. Go. Install, please. Yeah. Ah. What to do? So restarting it obviously did not work. I've restarted alt server. I've pretty much like restarted everything possible. What? Maybe it is going to be NetMuxD to the rescue. Good. Why does my own code work better than Apple's? It is handling. Handle, please. Good handle. Yeet! It do we go in Zoom? Hopefully it actually works. Let's make sure that it actually stayed connected. Good. NetMuxD is doing its job, which I have like no faith in anymore. I could have swore that like once upon a time, NetMuxD was a lot more like stable than it is now. Server cannot find this device. What do you mean? What do you mean? It's right there. Die. I'm sorry, NetMuxD. You tried your best. Look, it never had to do like any of the warnings saying, oh no, it got disconnected. I don't know what it's thinking. I probably have to stop it. Is there like an alt server running somewhere? Okay, now that I've stopped it, it says, oh, there's no alt server. No alt server here. Stop. Wait, no, that's good because I unplugged or I turned off the Mac one. That's what I expected, right? I think that's what I expected. I wonder if like all server is out of date or something, or this app is out of date and the communication thing is broken. This is why we're going to do this all on device, so we don't have to mess with things like, oh, can't find the device, because the device is right there. If it's all on device, there is no device to lose. But I can't even test that. I can't even get that far. I mean, I guess we could just start. I don't think it would be connecting to my phone instead of my iPad because they have separate UDIDs. And oh my goodness, you're right. Oh, you're right. I think. Where is it? Code signing, where is it? App group, where is it? I don't. Pull up the README. Oh, I'm stupid. That's exactly the problem, I think. Oh, building instructions. Change the value for the info. Info! Where is it? Where is it? That is wrong. Bad. Oh. Oh, that makes me angry that I spent that long. Such a stupid problem. Build again. This time it should work. Moral of the story. Oh, and there goes my webcam. Maybe I should get a real camera? No, it ran on the iPhone again. That's why the webcam disconnected. Dang it. Oh, man, I'm really bad at this. For those of you new to this channel, I swear I actually do computers sometimes. I swear I occasionally know how to program. See, like, this is like taking like a solid 30 seconds to install. You think we have time for that? Ah, nah. We don't have time for that. So once we have like on device, like once I program in the secret tunnel, it should take maybe 1 second to do all the installation stuff. Okay, so if we enable JIT, that's just what we wanted, right? Except now instead of all that, we're going to strip out the connection code and we are going to put in my own, or put in secret tunnel code. Boy, grease all over my iPad. All right. What code is called when you press enable JIT? Or would I even start looking? Operations. Would it be? Yes, this one. So we're going to start here and chop all that out. You think we want that? Nah, we're getting rid of that and we're doing this all on device. Dab on the haters. Good. Okay. I guess to start, we'll just comment all this out. Comment all this out. Stop. Don't do that. And I really wish like Xcode had like an immediate linter. See, it took like 50 seconds to figure out that, oh no, I haven't used that variable. No way. All right, we need to make sure that we actually know what the bundle is. So can we just like print the bundle, please? How do you can you just do that in Swift? In case you didn't know, I am very new to Swift. And I will not know if that's illegal or not until it builds, because Xcode's linter is so slow. Okay, stop spamming logs. I need to see this. Stop spamming the logs. Enable JIT. And this bundle. What? How did we? I need this. I need that. Did it never actually print the thing? Man, I wish you would stop spam. Okay. We shall just print. I actually don't know if it actually did the thing or not, because I want to know what that variable is. Go again. I want to know if that variable is the thing we need. We need the bundle ID, so that way we can tell Secret Tunnel to do the thing. Are we done spamming the logs? Okay, oh, this is. Yes, this is exactly what we want. The nice and printy thing that I made. Perfect. Can we just get the string? Dot. I don't want the URL, do I? I don't think so. Bundle identifier, bundle path. That's what I want. Bundle path. Let's make sure that's the right thing. Installing. Bro, this is going to be epic when it works. Do the thing. That is exactly what I wanted, I think. All right, now to look up some C code. Tools, iDevice debug, go. Might actually just be easier to look at my Rust adaptation of this, because C's hard. Oh, and we're gonna have to do some weird trickery with the C structs. Can you even do that in Swift? Am I gonna have to add a function to do that? Okay, the first thing we need to do is we actually need to get a struct of the device. So we might actually have to modify my fork of libmobile device to add a function to actually get that. Yeah, that's what we're gonna have to do. So, yay, back to VS Code. Oh, feels so much better. Let's do that. Where are the functions? We'll put it right under here. Under 3. Right here. It actually shouldn't return an error. I don't know. Device create, because we're not going to get it from the muxer, so we actually need to like create the device raw itself. Oh boy, now that I think about this, there's actually a lot missing before we can actually put the code right in there. We need a R to the C is hard. Is this how you do it? Oh, it's just 1, because this is a pointer to a char. Can it be const? Probably. What does my rest function have? Why don't we just copy my rest function? I can read rest. Where is it? Where did it get device? See, this is the one that I actually need to like convert into C. I don't even know how to do this, and I guess we'll find out, huh? Okay, I need the IP address, which is also going to be a string. And then we need the mux ID, yes. And that will be a, is that a thing? Uint 32, right? Perfect. What we need to do now is we actually need to like create the iDevice. Can we just like create a struct? How do you create a struct in C? Ah, yes. Tutorials point, here we go. Accessing struct, no. How do I create one? Did I skip that part? Declare book 1. It's probably not. Okay, it is. Ugh. Nobody even likes C. Oh my goodness, do you just like create it and then it's like it like reserves the data? And then you actually have to copy the data in instead of just like initializing it? Okay. Wait, what did I do? Struct. Device. Device. What is it? Rest code save me. My device private. Private. Is that legal? Are we gonna get... Did I confuse those two? Did I mix them up? Yes, I did. It's the other way around. Device. We appreciate this, right? Okay, what are the members we have to fill in? UD ID, mux ID, and then the connection type, which is going to be 2, I think. We'll have to look that up. And then con data, which is, do we have to like reserve a buffer or something? And then int version and device class, we are just going to, what did I do in the Rust code? How did I solve that? Oh, I just put zeros for both those, which it does work. I've tried this in Rust and it works fine, I guess. Oh no, we have to convert the IP address using hacks. This is how to convert that into. Is there just like a converter? Because I don't want to figure that out. Rust. There's okay. I'll just figure it out. So. So we are going to add the UDID using str copy. But what is it? Copy. Destination is going to be device.edid. And then we're going to just use our... Is that legal? Can you do that? Will it segfault? Because that's what you get in C if you do anything wrong. Do one thing wrong, segfault. I hope that's how you use that. Device dot con data. We're gonna leave that empty for now. Oops. Can you just do that? Is that legal in C? I do not know. I should just go buy Copilot again. All right, what are the things we haven't handled yet? We need, oh, the mux ID. Yes, we know how to do that. Can you do this? Is this even gonna work? I don't know. I don't know about this because if like this actually does. If this actually does, like the creating the struct actually does reserve the memory, then theoretically it should have like reserved space to copy the UDID, right? And because it's a this is only a pointer to it though. Maybe we just need to like actually like use the pointer directly. I think that's what it needs to be. We will try that first actually, because that seems more reasonable to me. Because it doesn't actually like reserve a space for like the actual UDID. It only reserved a space for a pointer to the list of characters. All right. Now to do nasty conversions. Ugh, hate conversions. Can we just? What if we like did it in Swift and just passed it to C instead? I don't know Swift any better, but okay. So the IP address, we need to allocate 16 bytes. The 0 for 4 is going to be this. This actually signifies that it's an IPv4 address. Wait, it doesn't even matter what we put in there because Secret Tunnel is just going to take it away anyway. So we could literally put any 16 bytes and literally would not matter. Think secret tunnel. Yes. Now, how to allocate 16 bytes? Sweet. Hopefully we can just do this. Right? What is it? It's void. What do you mean void? Well, now do I actually what did I put it as in C? Unsigned 8-bit integers will do that. So really, if we put it as U32s, it should be just 2 bytes, right? Right? I think we'll we'll try that. Oh wait, can we just actually put a Q in 8? Garbage, and that is going to be 16. Reserve 16, please. Then we need a pointer. Device dot. What happened to my IntelliSense? Oh, my bad. Equals at garbage. Can you do that? Is that legal? Can you do a reference? Because if you like had a star, that would dereference, or would that mean a pointer? In Rust, it means to dereference it, but in C, I do not know. We'll just Google it. Ah, yes, this is what I wanted. C, pointer. Oh. We will just copy this. I don't know if it's actually good or not. Right. Yeah. That is what it did. And so we want the pointer, right? And then we need to return this, don't we? No, we need to return a pointer to it, so it's actually a device. What's the T for this? Can you just like search this, please? What is iDevice? Oh, it's just iDevice T. Do you even know what this is? Will that work? Hopefully. YOLO. Wait, how did I do that? Okay, why are we not getting IntelliSense? Doesn't look. Why can this do it, but I can't, huh? Wait, can we just return it? Is that legal in C? Do that. Is that how you were? Oh, you don't need. Fine. Do you even need a semicolon? You do need a semicolon. Do that. Thank you. Now we need to edit the header so we actually have that function. Okay. I guess I need to edit it over here. Wait. Okay, where's the header for this? I bet it's in include the remote device. There it is. I want it under no, this is not what we want, right? Right? Hopefully, oh, yeah. Okay, we're good. We're good. iDevice create new. That is our function name. Add a header for that. Yeah, boys. Aw, thanks. Let's. What did I call it? iDevice. Create new. Create new. Create new. What did? Okay, stop. What do you do? iDevice C. Okay, we have a UDID. Rem UDID. Device. That's actually important. Then add. Can I just put them together? What is this done in the past? Okay, we'll separate them. I don't know. IP address. Okay, this actually doesn't even matter. I don't even use the IP address. We can just remove that completely. Removed. Take that. Mux ID is next. And then we need oh, we don't even use this anymore. We can literally just remove that. That's everything. Sweet. That was easy enough. And then we need return. Perfect. So good. We're so good at this. Now we need a const. For what is that? What you're supposed to do? Okay. And then we need a 32. Done. Yeah, boys. Let's commit this without testing and call it a day. Just kidding. We need to actually make sure this works. Okay, the only problem with this, though, is that we have to actually like since we don't have a muxer that will actually feed this struct to us for us, we're gonna have to start a heartbeat client, and I hate heartbeat clients. Mm. Mm. Okay, let's do it. No time like the present, except for that I have to work. Oh, I have to work like really soon. Alright. That actually might be it for today then. I'll just commit my work, and then I'm probably gonna have to be done for today. I didn't realize what time it was. Well, thank you all for watching my very good stream that I literally spent the whole time troubleshooting. What am I doing? And yeah, I'll hopefully be back Monday or something. I don't know. I work at 2 tomorrow. I work at 2 to midnight. Can't even believe this. And I'm probably going to be there past midnight. So yeah, it's going to be a bit rough. I don't know when I'll be back. So yeah. I'll see you guys later. Hope you enjoyed, and bye.